I don't need anybody else to love me. I gotta love myself first. It's the most important love. In order to love anybody else, you gotta love yourself first. So yeah, I just think I had to learn that.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is Emma D'Or. I'll be showing you how I customize this 5x5 lace closure. I'm going to start with lightening the knots. Before starting this process, I'm going to put conditioner at the roots of the hair to prevent it from discoloring. It will protect the hair in case the bleach penetrates the lace.
I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm trees on top of a hill, no stress. When I hold you here, I'm the one you chose. Overcast, shower you with roses. Keep me in the corners of your mind. We can stop forever here tonight. Baby, it's you and me. It's only you I see. Yeah. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
As for the Lightener Mixture, I will be using these products. You can find everything in the description box. I usually use 30 to 40% developer, but I don't have any, so I will be using 20% with a mixture of 10% to get a total of 30% developer. I'm going to be adding the product slowly to make sure it's not runny. The consistency I want is like a thick body lotion, soft and thick.
Talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm trees on top of a hill, no stress. When I hold you here.
Before I apply the lightener, I like to spray the lace with hairspray. Any hairspray will do to protect the lace, and I let it sit and dry.
Corners of your mind. We can stop forever here tonight. Baby, it's you and me. It's only you I see.
And this is the consistency I like. It's easy to apply.
Girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love.
I'm applying it lightly and slowly and not using any pressure, just like putting butter on bread.
Standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
To conceal the heat, I put a foil and tighten the sides to keep the foil locked in. And to speed up the process, I'll be using my blow dryer on the heat setting for about 30 seconds, and I'll wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes.
If we talking about it,
Now I'm ready to pluck. I separated the hair into 3 sections.
All the ways I wanna build your trust.
I'll start with the front section. I weave the hair out and secure it in place with a clip.
We can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
I spray the hair with water. It helps to pluck the hair from the root rather than halfway, so you have a whole bunch of different little hair sticking out. And then I can start plucking. While holding the lace, I pluck the hair quickly. I don't want to stay in the same place too long because that can cause baldness and even the lace to tear. So I do it as quickly as I can. The weaved section helps give it a natural look because it is not a straight line. And since it's a 5x5 lace, I'm not going to go too far down the hairline.
All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm trees on top of a hill, no stress. When I hold you here, I'm the one you chose. Overcast, shower you with roses.
I always do the hairline last because I have a lot of hair to work with. It's better to have more than less.
I see yeah. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
As for the side section, I separate how natural hair would fall, and just like the front, I weave the section, spray the hair, and start plucking.
If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm trees on top.
I do the same thing on the other side.
I'm the It's only you I see. Yeah. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be love. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
So on the next day, I ended up coloring the hair, and when I tried the wig, I noticed I wanted to pluck more. It looked too wiggy, if you know what I mean. So I had to get back in there and pluck some more. Dark hair can be very forgiving and can give you the leeway to leave more hair than usual, but with this color, I needed to pluck a bit more.
You standing here with me, can't be love. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm trees on top of a hill, no stress.
I only pluck what I need where the area is still too thick. This time I didn't use water. I used a hot comb because the hair was already thin.
Keep me in the corners of your mind. We can stop forever here tonight. Baby, it's you and me. It's only you I see. Yeah. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be love. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be love. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm trees on top of a hill, no stress. When I hold you in, I'm the one you chose. Overcast, shower you with roses. Keep me in the corners of your mind. We can stop forever here tonight. Baby, it's you and me. It's only you I see. Yeah. If we talking about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways.
And this is how it looks. I don't have a wig cap, glue, or anything. I just, plop the wig on quickly. It's HD, so that really helps.
Can't be love. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch.
And I will be doing videos on how I colored and how I will be styling this hair. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more videos. See you on my next one. Bye.
Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.